Bonjour, on s'appelle Sound of Mint.
And you're tuned in to Husa Sounds.
J'étais professeur de percussion au Maroc.
I was very curious into learning about percussions, oriental percussions, and he was taking a bunch of us to a forest where we had like an African percussion troupe.
Et après, tu es parti sur Montréal pendant une dizaine d'années.
I started producing electronic music, learning with a lot of guys that have been around for many years.
Toi, tu m'envoyais tes sons électro.
We always promised to each other if I came back to Morocco that we would try to marry the world of ethnic music and electronic music together.
Et quand tu es rentré au Maroc, on a décidé de fusionner. On a fait un premier morceau ensemble extraordinaire qui s'appelle L'air et l'eau.
He was sending me his film music.
Et moi, l'univers du film m'a tout de suite intéressé puisque je travaillais dans le domaine du spectacle, notamment du théâtre et même de la danse.
We locked ourselves in the studio and we started experimenting with electronic music. When you are listening to Sound of Mint, you'll find a lot of different acoustic instruments from sub-Saharan Africa, from North Africa, a lot of percussive instruments, some modern ones like the handpan, which is really cosmic, and then you have some modern synths, a drum kit. It's a real mix between ethnic and electronic instruments. You have that electronic music culture, and then you have a real marriage of spices between that and different subcultures. We tend to structure a lot our sets, but you will never hear a live performance that's the same as the other one, because we also give ourselves the liberty to improvise and to do percussion solos, Joe on the keyboard. So there's a lot of freedom in the way we play, even though there's a structure we follow.
Il y a une forme de suspense, il y a une forme d'ambiance qui est liée au jeu des instruments. C'est ça qui fait qu'on retrouve un peu cette ambiance de musique de film, parce que c'est très pointu la musique de film.
This summer we were very fortunate and lucky to collaborate with world-class renowned musicians during our France tour, where we played 10 concerts. And we had a chance to collaborate with Abu Diarra, who's a Malian Kamelin Goni player and who collaborates with Oumou Sangaré, Joe earlier mentioned Samba Diabaté, with Toumani Diabaté, some really huge African legends.
D'ailleurs, on a enregistré avec lui, donc il y a des titres qui vont sortir.
We don't limit ourselves to geographical zones. We're not just connected to African music, but more to world music generally speaking. Maybe someday we'll be contacting a tabla master from India, or it could be Iranian musicians, or it could be, basically has to be attached to ethnic roots, yeah, or musicians from Tibet, who knows.